Hello and welcome. Today we're going to be cleaning the fridge because trust me, it really needs it. And I have a bunch of like expired stuff, probably stuff with mold, as nasty as that sounds, but I'm just being real here. And it's way long overdue. So I just wanted to record it as motivation as always. So thank you so much for being here and I hope you enjoy this video. All right, are we ready for this? I don't think we are. I know I'm not. Just to think about taking all of this stuff out, but that's the side, which isn't too bad, but oh my God, like it's bad and it's like dirty, disgusting. How can I live like this, right? But all right, let's do this.
Falling to pieces in my room. Are you coming over? That's cool. I could use a little something to do. We could go outside, take a little ride if you want to. That's cool. I did what I was supposed to. There's nothing left for me to do. So now I'm poking out my head through open windows, 'cause that's what I feel like.
Okay, so I took everything out. That's one side, and this is the other side.
I've been
never been one to not follow the signs. You're looking like a one-way, gotta make the right choice. Hope I make the right noise, hoping that you like boys like me. I know you're feeling me from across the room. I got a feeling you could be my muse. I hear strange when I see you. You say green, but I see blue. Either way, your eyes the ones I'm looking to. When I'm hell first, falling from heaven, baby. Living on the prayer that you catch and save me. I was unaware of our elevation till I looked down. All the people look like ants now. High when you're on my side, high up in the sky, cruising through the night.
And for the sides, I was going to film me taking everything out, but honestly, it's not that bad. Like, everything I have is to date, and we use a bunch of this. Like, we use a bunch of sauces, and none of this is expired. So I figured it'd be a waste of time. I did get rid of like all the expired stuff up here, but yeah, not bad at all. So much better. This looks a little cluttery, but can't really do anything about it. It's a bunch of tortillas and my bagels. I love to store my bread in the fridge, so yeah, can't really do anything about it looking like that. But other than that, I made a lot of room everywhere else, so looks good.